When we look up at the night sky, we are conditioned to see light. We see stars, planets, and the milky band of our own galaxy stretching across the firmament. If we peer through powerful telescopes, we see an infinite web of galaxies, glowing clusters, and cosmic structures woven together by gravity. The universe, it seems, is a crowded, bustling place. But what if I told you that one of the largest structures in the known universe isn't a structure at all? What if the most terrifying thing in the cosmos is absolutely nothing? Welcome to the Boötes Void. Often referred to as the Great Nothing, this is a region of space so unimaginably empty, it challenges our very understanding of the cosmos. Located nearly 700 million light-years from Earth, within the constellation of Boötes, this spherical region of nothingness spans a staggering 330 million light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, it accounts for nearly 0.27% of the entire observable universe. In a cosmos filled with billions of galaxies, the Boötes Void is a ghost town on a scale we can barely comprehend. Discovered in 1981 by astronomer Robert Kirshner and his team, the void initially baffled scientists. They were conducting a survey of galactic redshifts, expecting to find the usual distribution of galaxies. Instead, they found a gaping hole. At first, they thought their equipment was malfunctioning, or that dust clouds were obscuring the light. But repeated observations confirmed the impossible truth. There was simply nothing there. Let us truly visualize the scale of this emptiness. In a typical region of the universe spanning the size of the Boötes Void, you would expect to find at least 10,000 galaxies, each brimming with billions of stars, planets, and perhaps even civilizations. Inside the Boötes Void, however, astronomers have managed to locate a mere 60 galaxies. If the Milky Way galaxy were situated dead center in the middle of the Boötes Void, the night sky would be so dark, so completely devoid of neighboring galactic light, that human astronomers would not have known other galaxies existed until the invention of extremely powerful telescopes in the 1960s. We would have believed our isolated island of stars was the entirety of the universe. But how does a void of this magnitude form? The universe is thought to be structured like a cosmic web, with dark matter acting as the scaffolding. Galaxies cluster along these invisible threads, and between them lie voids. However, the sheer size of the Boötes Void defies standard cosmological models. It is simply too large to have formed in the roughly 14 billion years since the Big Bang, assuming standard rates of cosmic expansion and gravity. One leading theory suggests that the Boötes Void is actually the result of smaller voids merging together over billions of years, much like soap bubbles joining to form a single, massive bubble. As galaxies along the edges exert gravitational pulls, they drag matter outward, clearing out the central region and leaving behind an ever-expanding expanse of darkness. Yet, the 60 isolated galaxies that do exist inside this void present an even deeper mystery. Some scientists refer to them as tube-like formations, possibly the remnants of dark matter filaments that failed to fully pull away. These lonely galaxies are the ultimate hermits of the cosmos. Because they are so incredibly far from any neighbors, they rarely interact or collide, making them pristine time capsules of early galactic evolution. The Boötes Void forces us to confront the chilling reality of our universe. We are so focused on the light, the stars, the nebulas, the blazing quasars, that we forget the dark. The Great Nothing is a reminder that the majority of our universe is exactly that, cold, silent, empty space. It is a cosmic ocean of darkness, undisturbed by the violent beauty of stellar birth and death. As our telescopes grow stronger and we map further into the cosmic web, one has to wonder, are there even larger voids waiting to be discovered? And what secrets hide in the pitch-black center of the Great Nothing? For now, the Boötes Void remains one of the greatest mysteries of nature, a colossal monument to emptiness, staring back at us from the dark.